What's up? It's Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play I Still Think of You on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. This song is tuned down a full step and you won't need a capo. If you want to tune your guitar to this tuning, I made a video that you can click on and go ahead and tune your guitar to that. Once you're all tuned up to that tuning, you can come back to this video and learn how to play this song. To start off, you'll put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string and the 5th fret of the D string. And when you strum it, you start on that 7th fret and then strum down. And these two should sound the same. The G and the D. Then you slide your ring finger down to the 3rd fret of the A string and you just strum the next 3 strings like this. Then you put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string and strum the D and the G. Then put your middle finger on the 5th fret of the A string and your pointer finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And you'll also have that G open. So slower, that's the ring finger 7th fret A string, pointer finger 5th fret D string, open G. You just slide that ring finger down to the 3rd fret, pick it up, put it on the low E 3rd fret, strum those two, that D and the G again, and then slide your middle finger up to the 5th fret of the A string, 4th fret of the D string, open G. Kind of a dissonant sound, so I'll play it slow all together. Is the song in standard tuning. So E, A, D, G, that one.